Guys, mag-sushi muna tayo today. Diba? Yummy sushi. Yummy sushi for breakfast. Ayan guys, oh. Diba yummy? Ayan, yan. Solved na ako dyan. Tapos with kape. Ayan po yung aking sushi for breakfast. Ayan. Sarap. Ano po eh. Bongga ang ingredients nito eh. Ayan. Coffee. Kain na guys.